Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, October 10th, 2023. It is 9:36 and 59 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, obesity and cancer. So let's hop to it here. Women living in more walkable neighborhoods have lower rates of obesity-related cancers. Date October 4th, 2023. Source: Columbia University. As specific postmenopausal breast cancer, but also ovarian cancer, endometrial cancer, and multiple myeloma, according to a new study. Obesity has been linked to increased risk for 13 types of cancer in women, and physical activity, independent of body size, lowers risk for some of these cancers. Until now, long-term studies of neighborhood walkability and risk for obesity-related cancer were limited. These results contribute to the growing evidence of how urban design affects the health and well-being of aging populations. Individual-level interventions to increase physical activity and reduce obesity are costly and often have only short-term effects. However, urban design can create a context that promotes walking, increases overall physical activity, and reduces car dependency, which could lead to substantial improvements in preventing diseases attributed to unhealthy weight. The scientific research has further observed that the association between high neighborhood walkability and lower risk of overall obesity-related cancers was stronger for women living in neighborhoods with higher levels of poverty. These findings suggest that neighborhood social and economic environments are also relevant to risk of developing obesity-related cancers. The researchers studied 14,274 women between the ages of 34 and 65 and recruited a mammography screening center in NYC between 1985 and 1991 and followed them over nearly 3 decades. They measured neighborhood walkability in the participants' residential census tract throughout follow-up and assessed the association between neighborhood walkability and risk of overall site-specific obesity-related cancers, including postmenopausal breast cancer, ovarian cancer, endometrial cancer, and multiple myeloma. Of the total number of women studied, 18% had a first obesity-related cancer by the end of 2016. The most common cancer was postmenopausal breast cancer at 53%, followed by colorectal cancer at 14%, and endometrial cancer at 12%. The study is unique in that the long-term follow-up allowed them to study effects of walkability for potential long latency periods of cancer, and they were able to measure neighborhood walkability as the participants moved residences around the country during follow-up. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.